Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add audio or MP3 file to your DaVinci Resolve. So how to actually do that? First, you need to actually open the edit tab on DaVinci Resolve. After that, you need to go to the media pool and you need to right click it and click on import media. So now from here you can actually add your MP4 video as see from here. So by adding your MP4 video, you can just hold it and take it to the timeline. And as see from here, you will see the video and the audio track. So now you can actually just edit your audio track from here. Also, if you want to add an MP3 file, you can just click on import media and open your MP3 file as see from here. You can just drag it to the timeline as see from here. So now you have added your MP3 file. Also, another method to do it is just to open your file explorer and to drag your file from here and drop it on the timeline. So now your MP3 file is added to DaVinci Resolve. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.